In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flight tickets Skyscanner. If you're trying to stretch your travel budget, using Skyscanner's built-in flexibility tools is one of the easiest ways to uncover great deals. I'll walk you through the exact flow, and along the way, I'll explain what each choice means so you can make the most of it. Start by opening your browser and heading to skyscanner.com. Once the homepage loads, click on Flights, so you're looking specifically at airfare rather than hotels or car rentals. You'll see the trip type options at the top. This is where you choose whether you're searching for a one-way ticket or a return ticket. One-way is perfect for open-ended trips or multi-city planning, while return works best when you know you want to come back to the same origin. For this walkthrough, we'll go with a return trip. Next, set your route. In the From box, type your departure city or airport, and in the To box, enter your destination. Skyscanner recognizes cities and airports worldwide, so you can pick the exact airport or the broader city area. If you're flexible, even just considering nearby airports can broaden your options and sometimes lower the price, but keep your focus on the primary pair you want to compare. Now it's time to add dates, starting with your departure and then your return. Here's where the real savings happen. Instead of locking yourself into specific dates right away, click Flexible Dates. This opens a view that helps you compare prices across broader ranges, which is especially useful if your schedule isn't fixed. In this view, look for the label that says Cheapest Month. Selecting this tells Skyscanner to scan all available months and surface the one with the lowest typical fares for your route. Go ahead and click on Cheapest Month, then click Apply to confirm that choice. With your trip type set, your origin and destination entered, and the flexible timing locked in, click Search. Skyscanner will now present the prices for that month, giving you a clear snapshot of when fares are lowest across the entire period. Use this to spot the cheapest windows to fly, like midweek or off-peak dates, and avoid high demand times when prices tend to spike. This view makes it easy to compare at a glance and select the days that match both your budget and your schedule. That's the complete flow. Go to the site, pick flights, choose one-way or return, set your from and to, switch to flexible dates, select cheapest month, apply, and search. With that, you're ready to consistently find cheaper flight tickets